I can't tell you how many texts that we've got in of people that have had terrible automobile accidents, and the accident happened 2.5 years ago or 3 years ago, and they're having, you know, issues because maybe they had an attorney one time and they didn't get the case settled or whatever. And so today we're going to be talking about statute of limitations and what it means for someone's personal injury accident.
Very good question, and critically important, because as we say as lawyers, if you blow the statute of limitations, for example, if you're just pursuing legal action 2.5 years after the date of the accident, or thinking about filing a lawsuit for the first time 2.5 years after the date of accident, you're just going to be out of luck and beyond the applicable Texas statute of limitations, which is 2 years from the date of the accident, which is usually pretty clear. So you can file on the 2-year anniversary of the date of the accident and you will still be okay. Now, don't wait that long, and if you have a lawyer that is getting close to the statute of limitations and a lawsuit hasn't been filed, I would inquire. Honestly, I'd be a little bit nervous. We try to, as you well know, Michael, we don't wait around. Once we realize we cannot settle the lawsuit without filing a lawsuit, we get it on file. You don't sit on them, you don't wait, you get it in line at the courthouse and you get it going. Now, one exception, if you will, to that is Texas's law as to statute of limitations on an automobile collision case. It's not necessarily, and is not, neighboring state of Louisiana. In Louisiana, it's 1 year, and the law where the accident, the collision occurred, that's the applicable law. So if you're over in Louisiana and you get back in Texas, don't sit around, don't wait, call a lawyer, make it clear that it didn't happen in Texas, Louisiana, wherever. Most other states are 2 years, but not necessarily so. So you need to be aware, if it's an out of Texas collision, start inquiring as to your specialized attorney immediately.
Thank you so much, Steve. And if you're out there and you're trying to figure out, do I have enough time to file this lawsuit? What's the statute of limitations in the state where I had this accident? Maybe it was Maryland or whatever. Just reach out to us anytime.